The one that came to the end of your guy hand with my... What? Hey RuLeeDollz, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here in our video. Oh my god, if you're a little subscriber, you're still here, we go. Thank you so much. I love you. It's greatly appreciated. But if it's the first time seeing you, girl, seeing my face, oh my god, where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you won't be disappointed in the content I bring to you, I promise. Without further ado, guys, today we are going to be reviewing my very first wigs on my channel. I wear wigs all of the time and I never bring them on my channel. I actually buy so much stuff that I say I wish I could bring it to my channel, but you know what, a lot of things have changed with me and I am bringing it to my channel. I found these really nice affordable wigs from Amazon. Yes, you've probably been here before with a lot of other influencers letting you know that Amazon got you covered, girl. Yes, so I'm here today to show you what I found, because this is one of them, and show you what they look like, what I feel about them, and yeah, it's like a little wig review. Let's go. So first of all, I'm wearing this blonde moment, sweetie, two-toned blonde moment, honey. Basically, this wig is so sickening, easy to brush. I literally put a little bit of olive oil spray in it and it just keeps it very shiny, very nice. It doesn't look too fakey. They probably will know that it is fake, but at the end of the day, does it look good, sweetie? Does it look good? I think it does. I was a bit skeptical with the little parting. Yes. Know the black one. You've seen the black one so many times for the last couple of videos that I've done. That is also one of the wigs I'm going to show you guys today, even though you've seen it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like without the bands, because you've only seen it with the band. But first of all, so easy to manage. You can run your hair through it. It feels so good. It also has the hair at the back just on the line. This is the bag that it comes in when you get your wig, sweetie. Nothing fantastic, nothing spectacular about that. It is in a hair net like so. You just want to go and wrap that off, and then it has some filling inside to protect the inside of the wig. When you get your wig, I just literally just comb it one time like so, because it can come with a little bit of straggly bits that you want to come out of the brush. You want all of those little straggly bits to be picked up, all the little loose hairs, and then this is what the wig looks like, darling. Inside you have two clips at the front. Can you see? One there and one there to hook onto your normal hair, and then it has those two clips on the sides to adjust the wig to the size of your head, sweetie. Also, it does have the back hair. It's very short, so at the back, so that it just covers the neck, so you don't see the wig line, which is a nice touch. You know, a lot of these wigs, like sometimes you want to put your hair up in one and you can't even do that because you can just see the wig line. So they have thought about that, and honey, the price, sweetie, absolutely stunning. So let me tell you about this wig that I've got on right now. I'm going to try on all of the wigs for you in today's video so you can see how it looks on, see how the parting is and whatever else. I like to wear these wigs with a lot of bands. The parting is sickening. Sometimes some of them you can get away with it if you don't mind it looking like this, but I love wearing bands with all my wigs anyway, regardless if they have a parting, side parting, no parting. I love my yoga bands, and I will be putting them on to show you what this will look like, maybe with your hair up, with your hair down, and with the yoga bands. So this wig that I'm wearing right now, darling, set me back a whopping £12.82p with free delivery, I may add. This is what you're getting for your £12, round up to £13. So for £13, sweetie, you're getting this wig. It hardly sheds, sweetie. I've been wearing the black one for so long now and it doesn't really shed. I can't even tell you if it sheds at all. It shedded when it first came out of the packet. I combed it, I caught the straggly hairs, and everything else is just history. Really good wigs. I'm loving them in my videos, and yes, it just changes the whole thing, especially when you're like an influencer or an Instagrammer and you just want to change your look, you want to change your background, you want to fling on a wig. These are very cheap and easy to manage. This is the blonde one. let's get into another one. So this is the one that I showed you that I took out of the packet. It is a very lovely burgundy moment, honey. Yes, sweetie. I am feeling these wigs. This one is the same price as the blonde one that I just showed you, sweetie, at £12.82 with free delivery. All of the links I will be putting down below. So if you like what you see, you can just easily click it and purchase your new wig, sweetie. I'm going to show you all of the wigs without any bands, and then I'm going to show you what the bands look like with the wigs, sweetie. So this is the burgundy. How do you like her? I love her. She is really, really cute. You will see her coming in another video very, very soon, sweetie. She is stunning. Again, not that much fallout when I first brushed it. You have a little bit of stragglers because it's brand new. Hopefully it will work and perform just like the black one, and I won't get any shedding. So yes, this is she. Let's move on to the next one. So this is the next one. This is a very beautiful teal moment, sweetie. Oh yes, are you feeling her? I'm feeling her. Yes, sweetie, this is the teal moment. Oh my god, again, absolutely stunning. I love the color. I'm loving the ombre effect. The two-tone has got you covered, and it just sets you up so well. For me anyway, in my line of work, when I do my videos and stuff like that, it's just so easy to fling on one of these wigs and go. It is just so cheap, and the quality is very, very good. I can't even lie. Like, for wigs, I buy so many wigs. I have so many wigs, honey, and I have spent money on my wigs, and I can't wear them as much as I wear these wigs because they either get frizzy or tangled, or they shed like no one's business, or it's itchy and scratchy, or they don't have enough clips inside, so it's always moving around. I have to say that I am pleasantly surprised. Sometimes I look at the wig price and I think, when is it gonna go up? When is it gonna go up? Because it is so amazing. It's just amazing. I really like these wigs. They help me out so much with when I want to do my Instagram videos, or like today I filmed so many times. I can change my wig, change my t-shirt, and just mix it up a bit. It doesn't look like the same look and the same hair all over and over and over. It's very, very good for someone like myself who's in this type of work. Yes, Amazon got me covered. I absolutely love these wigs. I am feeling them. What do you think? What do you think, sweetie? Oh, and the brush just goes through like a dream. You don't need to be dragging nothing. It just goes through effortlessly. This one comes in at the same. I did buy a different style of wig. Same person from the Amazon, same people, but it's just a little bob moment, and I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. This is the other wig. Are you feeling this moment? The ombre of black going into silver, going into purple, sweetie. Yes, I absolutely love this wig. I love different styles of wigs, and this is definitely super different. I wish I had more colors of this wig. There is one wig that I bought and it isn't hair. It is the pink one, so it basically is just like the ones before, where it is black at the top and it goes into a beautiful pink moment. That hasn't come yet because it had to come further out. It's the same seller, but it didn't come under Prime, so I have to wait. I think he said I had to wait like a week for that one to be delivered. I think that one is out of the country, but when it does come, I won't be bringing you a whole video on the one wig, but I will wear it in a video, and I'll just briefly say this is the wig that I bought. If you've watched the other video, you will know what I'm talking about. So as I'm editing this video, the wig came, so I thought I will come on here. I literally just put it on. As you saw, the straggly bits have all come off now, and I'm just letting you guys know. Excuse the face, I know I look really scary. I'm having a little bit of a breakout. I'm not feeling very well. I've been doing T25 workout every single day. You know, when you're doing workout and you're eating differently and you're not eating all that nasty crap, your body is just busted. But that's neither here or there, sweetie. I digress. Yeah, this is the pink one, sweetie. It came. I'm feeling it. I'm really, really loving it. I cannot wait to slap my face with some makeup and see how everything comes together, especially with a nice cool background, or white background, or pink background. It will really make this wig pop, guys. Yes, back to the review. So this is the other wig, sweetie. Oh honey, me. It has the same clips on in the front. It has the same extender so that you can obviously make it fit your head, and it also has the same neck hair to cover the wig line. Again, even though it's cheap and cheerful, still thinking it's well done. The quality of the wig is really well done and thought out. And let me tell you how much this cost. For this wig it was $13.99, so it is a little bit higher, a little bit more expensive than the wigs before, but not much, you know, really not much, like a £1 change difference. Yes, are you feeling this fantasy? Girl, now let me show you a little montage of what you can do with these wigs. Let's go. So that was a little something that you can do with these wigs. You can put on a band, switch it up, you can have it all up in one if you wanted to, and clip it. There's so many things you can do with this hair, and it just feels amazing, and it's not scratchy, and it just enables you to switch up your look whenever you want with minimal effort. That's what I love about these wigs the most. The affordability, the fact that it's quick and simple, it's just the quality is just amazing, and the thoughtfulness of putting the hair on the neckline so that you can have your hair up and you can see the little hairs coming down and you won't see the wig line. All those things make this one of the best affordable wigs I've ever tried in my life. So if you like what you see today, you can easily go and purchase them, and let me know in the comment section below if you think these wigs are amazing, or if you have a link for cheaper wigs that are amazing. I would love to review them, because girl, you can never have too many wigs, sweetie. You can never have too many wigs, darling. So if you have a link for that, it'll be greatly appreciated. On top of that, if you want to say anything about these wigs, we want to have a discussion about them, or talk to me about anything else you would like to see on my channel now, let me know. It's been your girl Ruriko Yamazaki here. Doesn't let you love the honor anybody needs, my darling, and I'll catch you. Yes, you. The one that came to the end of the video and handed me girl, my honey, my body, my darling, my everything. I'll catch you, my sweetie, on another video. Yeah.